Hi, my name is Stefan Neumans from W3 Lab and welcome to our guide to websites for small business owners. Do you know which marketing method has potentially highest return on investment of them all? Stay tuned in the next few minutes to find out. Alex, play the intro. Hi and welcome back. In today's segment we're going to talk about email marketing. Email marketing is the act of sending a commercial message usually to a group of people using email. In its broadest sense, every email sent to either a potential or a current customer can be considered as email marketing. It usually involves using email to send advertisements, to request business or to solicit sales, and is meant to build loyalty and trust with your customers or to raise brand awareness. Marketing emails can be sent to a pre-purchased lead list or to an existing customer database. On average, every American gets about 12 marketing emails every day, so we're not gonna bother you anymore explaining what email marketing is. But the most important thing to take away from this is that email marketing still works and it's still very effective. So here are the three most important email marketing types you should be caring about. Three most important types of emails in email marketing are direct emails, transactional emails, and mobile marketing emails. Let's talk a bit about each and every one of them now. Direct email involves sending an email to include a promotional message within it, for example, a special offer or a product catalog. Basically means sending an email to someone offering them your products or your services. Transactional emails are usually triggered by a customer's interaction with a company. Triggered transactional messages include drop basket messages, password reset emails, purchase or order confirmation emails, order status emails, reorder emails, and so on. The primary purpose of a transactional email is to convey information regarding the action that triggered it. But due to their high open rates, 51.3% compared to the 36.6% for email newsletters, transactional emails are an opportunity to introduce or extend the email relationship with customers or subscribers, and anticipate and answer questions, or to cross-sell or upsell products or services. Email marketing creates a large amount of traffic through smartphones and tablets, and advertisers are always looking for ways to advertise to more people and to make them view their advertisement for a longer period of time. That's why mobile email marketing is a great way to grow your business. However, it's not without drawbacks. Namely, open rates are lower compared to the other methods due to improved filtering out of advertisements and users having multiple accounts for different purposes. And here are some of the most important benefits of using email marketing for your business. The first benefit is that an exact return on investment can be tracked. That's called track to basket, and can be very high when done properly. In fact, email marketing is second only to search marketing as the most effective online marketing tool. Also, email marketing is significantly cheaper than traditional mail, as the cost and time required for running a marketing campaign is quite lower. Businesses sending large amounts of emails every day can also use ESPs, or email service providers, which allows them to gather information about the behavior of the recipients. This allows them to further streamline the process within their marketing funnel. And while we are at the subject of marketing funnel, email is also a very cost-effective way of testing out different marketing content, whether it's visual, creative, or marketing copy. Almost half of the American internet users check for and send emails every day, and emails sent between 1 a.m. and 5 a.m. local time outperform those sent at other times in both click-through rates and open rates. Okay, that's it for today's video. I hope it has been helpful. In the next segment, we're going to talk about SEO, or search engine optimization. If you have any questions, suggestions, or comments, please leave them in the comment section below and we'll get to them as soon as we can. I want to thank you for your attention and have a great day.